Hello, this is mathjazz from Almost Cool. I am here with a mathemagician,
Hello.
and we are getting back to our Taj Mahal build. You can see we have the tomb building of the Taj Mahal constructed, and maybe you can't see from here. Um, we have the mosque of the Taj Mahal constructed as well. We are now removing some garbage blocks here, and then we're going to work on the guest house of the Taj Mahal. So, it's been a few months since we've put any work into this. It's just a bit of reorientation, getting everything set up. So, in the interim time since our last episode, we taught some classes. I am not teaching this term, which it's nice to have the extra time. I like teaching though. The mathemagician is, however, teaching calculus this semester. Is that right?
Yep, it's fun.
And then in a few weeks, this term will end, and the next one will start, and the mathemagician won't be teaching, and I will.
Yep.
Okay, so all of these weird garbage platforms are gone now, and we can start building the platform, I think.
Yeah. So the part that's partially built already, this is layer 3 in the schematic blueprints. So mathjazz, if you'd like to start on layer 4 or 5, well, 4 and 5, I'll finish off 3 over here in the corner.
Okay. So looks like 4 is correct level to start on from the schematic. Maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, this will be standing on 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. So what did you teach today in your class?
Let's see, we did the derivative of trigonometric functions, and we did the chain rule.
Okay. I have a question.
Uh-huh.
So, which direction on this schematic is north?
That depends. Which direction in the game is north?
That way. That way is north.
Oh, then the schematic is up.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah, assuming so. So your schematic looks like a backward C if you look at level 3, right?
Yes.
Then yes, it's up.
And the level that you're standing on right now is level 3 right now, right?
Yeah, yep, the one I'm on and building.
Great.
So something that's been kind of fun happening in my calculus class, the students this semester, for some reason, really like to work examples before I go over them in class, which is good. I like it. But it's weird because a lot of the examples that I plan on going over in class weren't meant for students to do. Like, some of them are meant to be just a little bit beyond what a student should be capable of, so that I can show them sort of all of the tricks at once, all the little things that they might do. But the last two lectures, I get to these examples, and before I can say anything, they say, "Can we do this one?" And then they proceed to torture themselves trying to solve these examples. And what's impressive is, for the most part, they get them mostly right. They just complain loudly.
That's funny.
Yeah. One of them that I was going to do yesterday,
What happened yesterday?
quotient rule.
Quotient.
And the particular function that I gave them, it had x e to the x plus x squared over e to the x plus x, and so it looks very much like you should do quotient rule. And again, they said, "Oh, can we do this one?" I said, "Okay, sure." And so they proceeded to spend like 5 minutes working on this, and they said, "Okay, how do we know if we got the right answer?" And I said, "Well, the right answer is 1." And the whole class just, "What?" None of them had gotten 1. Because, of course, to do that, you'd have to simplify a lot at the end. And the thing that none of them realized was, you could have simplified before the derivative, and the function that I gave them was equivalent to x.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Everything that was dark brown becomes white, and everything that was white becomes dark brown. So I have started working on an abstract algebra series for my YouTube channel.
Fun. I think the word there is fun.
Well, math fun, right?
Yeah.
Which means not actually fun, but
Well, not actually fun for non-math people, right? But it might actually be fun for the right type of person.
like our advisor.
Yeah, like our advisor.
But yeah, so I'm gonna try and make an abstract algebra video series, and I'm actually looking forward to it. I really should know algebra better than I do, so going through very carefully so that I can make correct videos is going to be good for me.
Cool.
And once I'm done with doing that, I will do topology videos. I'm excited for that.
That will be much more fun.
That will be actually fun. That will be. I like how intricate these patterns are. It's a very pretty building. The whole thing is very Okay, so, oh, we have regular hardened clay that we need to place as well. So next semester I'm teaching a class called Finite Mathematics, which I've never taught before. In fact, I haven't taken it before. But, it should be fun. It's a class for people that don't, like, they need to take a math class to graduate, but they don't have to take a very complicated math class to graduate.
Wait, finite mathematics or 102 or 118?
Well, both are kind of the same thing. They're terminal math classes. They're like the last math class a person takes.
Yes, I was just going to point out that if a
No,
person's just trying to graduate, they won't take 118. Poor souls.
No, but you might need to fulfill it for like a business major, something where you don't need a lot of math, but
Yeah,
you need to take some math class.
yeah. I think the weirdest thing in the finite mathematics class is learning how to maximize with matrices instead of calculus.
That sounds fun though, doesn't it? Like,
No,
no?
no, it sounds obnoxious, and it was obnoxious.
So, the mathemagician, has taught this class before, and I haven't. So, I don't really know
You
what
might
I'm in
enjoy
for.
You may end up enjoying it.
I enjoyed teaching 102. I enjoyed teaching. So 102 is our university's quantitative reasoning class. It's for people that they got into the university and do not need to. They're not majoring in a math-heavy field, but they didn't score high enough on their ACT or SAT to get out of taking all math classes at the university. So they need to take a math class. They just don't need to take a second math class. I thought it was a fun class to teach. The nice thing was that the department course coordinator told me, just make sure that they have a good time taking the class. You don't have to be harsh on them. You can give them really high grades at the end. You can have a really high grade point average at the end. Because these students don't need to take any other math classes. It's not like, being lenient on them now is going to hurt them in the future. Like, that's a problem with, like, Calc 1 and Calc 2, is that if you're too easy on them then they don't learn the material well enough, and then they suffer when they go through later classes because they just weren't prepared for it. But
Yeah.
the people that take Math 102, they're never going to take another math class, so it's not like they're going to be hurt. Oh, why didn't you prepare me for this? Nope. Nothing to prepare for. This is their terminal math class.
Yep.
Although, I think I still like teaching calculus better than 102.
Yeah, you get to do fun things.
I have run out of torches. Which is unfortunate.
Oh no, what's happening?
What happened?
There's like a layer that's got skipped here.
Did I do the... Was it my mistake?
I don't know.
Which means it probably was.
The thing is, I don't know that it was a one-person mistake. I think it was a two-person mistake. Because on the one hand, I could have added those layers earlier, and on the other hand, you could have added them then. Ladders.
Well, I built up everything above these two brown block layers.
Okay.
So if it's stuff that was placed above that, then it's my fault. I didn't read it right.
No worries.
Well, whose mistake it was and how we'll fix it will have to be answered in the next episode. Hope to see you all as we continue to build up the Taj Mahal at Agra. See you next time. Bye!
Bye.